Oh, welcome to Calder Park Raceway. We're back drifting the JZX110 today, and we're here with all the boys. We got Grubby driving, we got Raj driving, Zach driving, we're all driving. We're having a good time. We're just getting the cars ready. We've had them scrutineered. Conditions are what you'd call for Calder Park absolutely pristine. It's a day here that you really wouldn't want to get any other way, because when Calder's wet, it's pretty icy and shit. So we're getting the cars ready. I'm freaking super keen. Less of me talking, more of me driving. So all the boys getting ready. Car's got the wheels in the rear. Just adjusted the handbrake again. And yeah, let's go get on the track.
Wow, hello.
Wow, hello.
Hello. It's my sister.
My girl's on wheel. Alright, we've got everyone here. Just at lunch now, so having a bit of a break in between sessions. Car's going flawlessly, so yeah, one set's lasted the entire morning session, which is freaking amazing. And yeah, got all the boys here. Look at them all. Look at all these guys getting the vlog. Oh yeah, working, honey. So all the boys are getting around it. Got Zoe here, got Sissy here. Raji's having a good time out, aren't you, Raj? How's the car going, brother?
Alright.
What have you done? Whoa!
Lost the tail light.
What'd you do?
Lost the wheel.
This one for vlog.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about that, mate?
Doritos are good for it.
You gonna leave that there?
Indicator.
Yes. Indicator.
Fix. What chips are red? Right. What chips are red? For
Red
brake
Doritos?
lights?
I just want to say you completely missed your head there.
Yeah.
Missed.
No. Give me alright. Very good. Anyway, so we're having fun. We'll go back on track in a minute and get some more footage. I'm getting it down pat, which is mad, so let's get it.
Fuck yeah! In with Mickey!
What's going on?
Nice, it's gonna be fun, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit more
Yeah?
wild.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a little bit more like.
Alright, let's do this, man. This is gonna
We're
be...
chasing Raji. He's got a fucking, look at his tail light.
So he hit the wall before, did he?
Yeah, at the back.
Alright, so what's this event called?
Driftworks.
Driftworks. Alright, cool. It's not Nugget Nuts. Alright, but sounds like fun.
This is the first vlog. Is this the first
No,
vlog?
that's not the first vlog. I'm just doing this for shits and giggles. So shits and giggles, mate, until someone giggles and shits. Alright, fuck. Alright, it's gonna be bad. I've been with Mickey before, but now he's got a lot more lock and his balls have gotten a bit bigger.
You right?
You alright?
Third gear's disappeared.
Oh no.
You ready?
Yeah. Fucking hell's that for luck?
What's going on? We're coming?
We're missing 2 gears, as you can fucking see.
Yeah.
But we're still having a fan-fucking-tastic time.
Fuck yeah. How's it going, mate?
Very good.
For the vlogging one.
Oh, what a feeling.
Toyota. Pristine. Let's go. I thought I delaminated. It was Raj's fucking gate. Alright guys, we're back home now. It's been a couple of days post the event. I didn't get to film an outro at the track, which is focused on, I guess, driving that last hour, which was complete and utter fun with all the boys. We just went out and sent it every single lap. We just kept going, kept getting quicker and quicker. It's great driving by all the boys. A lot of progression throughout the day, I felt. This thing is just amazing. The lock kit really gets you out of trouble when you think you might be spinning out, it just comes back, you can clutch kick and it sort of pulls you straight through. So, so proud of this car. Drove it to the track, I drove it home, I drifted it all day, it copped a beating, and it just keeps doing what it needs to do. Absolutely love this car, seriously. It's just one of the best cars for drifting. And as you would have seen in the video, 1J on gate, it's just a party. The day ran pretty well. There was a couple of people that, would stuff up runs, but it is drifting, people spin out, they are learning, so you just got to be considerate of that. All in all, we went through only 4 tyres, so I do have a lot left over here, which I'll be using at another event in a couple of weeks. I'll be back at Friday Night Drifts, Keep It Reet, on the 18th of August, so if you finish work early, you want to come down, say good day to me, check out the car, Keep It Reet, 18th of August, Friday Night Drifts. A few of the boys will be driving that as well, so super pumped. The other reason I'm entering that is because I've got 4 tyres left over and I really don't need to do any maintenance of the car. It's just entry and drive, so super pumped to be doing that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit chaotic, it was a bit all over the shop. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you back on track in a couple of weeks. Cheers guys, bye.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah.